Revolutionizing the web, WebAssembly is here. WASM is a binary instruction format that allows you to run code written in languages like C, C++, and Rust on the web at near-native speeds. According to the W3C, WASM is being implemented by all major browsers. This game-changing technology is not just for web developers, it's for anyone looking to build high-performance applications. With WASM, you can run complex simulations, build high-speed games, and even execute machine learning models directly in the browser. As noted by Mozilla, WASM enables a new class of web applications. The possibilities are endless, and the demand is skyrocketing. Don't miss the boat. Learn WASM now and stay ahead of the curve. The future of high-performance web development is here, and it's written in WASM. Now's the time to supercharge your web development skills. If you're as stoked about WASM as I am, show your excitement with a like. Share your thoughts on what WASM projects you're most excited to build in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button to stay on the bleeding edge of web development innovation.